Since opening its first location in Tampa 8 years ago, World of Beer just keeps expanding, which has been great for us in Southwest Florida. First, we got the World of Beer off University, then the recent opening of the World of Beer in downtown Sarasota. This week, I attended the opening night for the World of Beer in Bradenton, a smartly designed standalone building on Cortez Road West. It's right across from the DeSoto Square shopping mall. Like its sister location, it's a bar, restaurant, and live music venue. World of Beer easily lives up to its name with 50 beers on tap, plus more than 500 bottled brews, including everything from local to international favorites. I had an old-fashioned and then a Brazilian-inspired beverage made with vodka, fresh muddled strawberries, and lime. Both drinks showed this beer bar's ability to also make impressive craft cocktails. As for food, the black and tan onion rings, mac and cheese, and tavern tots with house-made beer cheese and fresh jalapenos were all fun appetizers. I also had a tasty steak sandwich and was happy to see the Chimay burger and giant German pretzel, items I devoured at the Sarasota location, also on the Bradenton menu. In addition to the great drinks and pub grub, I like the stage setup just above the east end of the long bar. That's where I saw local star Twinkle perform opening night. World of Beer's new Bradenton location is at 497 Cortez Road West. I'm Wade Tatangelo of the Herald Tribune. For more Bar Tab, visit TicketSarasota.com.